I'm using a monkey's fist to anchor my rope on this side, and I've already threaded my rope through the other anchor on this side of my truck. To make this work, I pull in some slack and form a bight. I place my hand on the back side of this bight and thread it through. I grab onto this rope, and this leaves me with a loop on the top of my wrist. I'm simply going to pull it down over my fist and turn my hand so my fingers curl inward, pointing right at me. Now on the other side, I grab my free end and throw it on top of the standing end. Then I grab the rope that's right in between, and I pull it through, forming another loop. I take this loop and hook it onto my fingers so I can pull it through. Now you can see the knot that's created to form our trucker's hitch. I hold on to this loop momentarily as I pull on my free end. Everything cinches down, and the more I pull, the more tension I get in our knot, so we can create our combat speed trucker's hitch. Now here's what it looks like in real time. Pull in some slack, make a loop, grab through the back, pull over my fist, grab another loop on the standing end, thread it through, and pull. There it is.